Alright guys, so this is a quick review of the endocrine system. So I'm just going to go through what you guys should already know and what you should put down in your notes. And there is one other thing. So first of all the endocrine glands, they make hormones and they send chemical signals through our bloodstream. So they communicate very similar, just like this is still the communication unit, so they communicate just like the nervous system, but they don't use electrical impulses, they use chemical signals. So this is a slower and longer effect. And they have a longer effect and it's not as immediate as the nervous system. But they use chemical signals, just like those neurotransmitters, they use those hormones. So we've already talked about a bunch of these. So we have the pancreas. So here's our pancreas, and this is what you're supposed to do if you read the directions. From the pancreas, it produces insulin, so that's one of the hormones, and it sends it to our muscle cells specifically. All right, so insulin is a hormone, and it lets sugar in. Alright, so the pancreas produces insulin and lets sugar into muscles. And then we have the liver up here. And the pancreas will also put sugar there. Insulin allows the liver to put sugar into the liver, but it also produces glucagon that tells the liver to release sugar. Alright, so you guys should already know this, and this is what you're supposed to put on that body diagram. Then we got the thyroid up here. The thyroid will produce calcitonin and tell the bones, and you can also go to the kidney or wherever. And it will put, when calcium is high, it will take it from the bloodstream. So I'll just draw a little blood vessel here and put it into the bone. And then the parathyroid, which is the little dots on the thyroid, and little dots are the parathyroid. And the parathyroid produces, remember, PTH, and this removes calcium from the bone. So Ca into bone. Alright, so what you're going to see in a second is you're going to see a guy named Lamar, and he's going to have three main symptoms. And what you're going to have to do is connect those symptoms to an endocrine gland. And you're going to have to tell me the gland, the hormone, and then the target organ. So the bone is the target organ of calcitonin. The liver is the target organ of glucagon. All right, so connect to endocrine. What is the hormone that's being affected? And then what is the target gland? So, for example, his first symptom is large hands and feet, too much tissue. So the first target is tissue. So what hormone and endocrine gland is causing an enlargement of tissue, or could cause that? All right, so there's three symptoms, and then you're going to have to connect all these then. So you do each one separately, and then you're going to have to connect them all. All right, the goal is to figure out what is the controller of the endocrine system. So what controls the endocrine system? And all these signals that are sent throughout your body and controls all these things inside your body. So that's our goal, and you're going to try to you'll basically figure that out by diagnosing him. And then the last thing you're going to do is you're going to do a feedback loop of metabolism. So you're going to find that one of his symptoms is a low metabolism. So he has a low metabolism, and you're going to have to figure out and make that feedback loop. Remember, we go like this. So that's a negative feedback loop. So we're going to have homeostasis in the middle. And then will be the increase in the stuff that decreases it, and the decrease in the stuff that increases it. All right, so that's what you should already know how to do, and you're going to go and do that for a new scenario. So you need to know the feedback loop of metabolism. You need to be able to diagnose this Lamar guy, and then eventually your end goal is to describe how everything is controlled, what controls our endocrine system.